So the US State Department is currently posting on Twitter about how they're revoking the visas of tons of people who have celebrated the murder of Charlie Kirk. As in, they're literally screenshotting the posts from visa holders that got their visas revoked.
So this has spurred tons of backlash. And it's not our place to opine on whether this is right or wrong. But we will talk about the law, darn it. So is it legal?
Well, the State Department has super broad discretion when it comes to controlling visas. Basically, they just have to find any conduct that's even slightly opposed to US interests to revoke someone's visa.
The State Department would say that celebrating the murder of a US citizen or glorifying violence is conduct against US interests, and that the US has no obligation to host such people in the country. That visas are a privilege.
But at the same time, even non-citizens in the US on visas have First Amendment rights, with one legal nonprofit already vowing to represent those who have had their visas revoked for free.
So there's this tug-of-war here where visa holders technically have First Amendment rights, but simultaneously walk a very thin line in terms of what the US approves of.
When it comes to what will actually happen here, fighting a revoked visa in court is actually extraordinarily difficult. Often the decision isn't reviewable by a court at all, it's just final.
The Supreme Court has consistently emphasized how much discretion the State Department has, pointing to this federal law that outright states that the Secretary of State may at any time in his discretion revoke visas.